All right, here we go. Doing some actual earth moving with this really improved hybrid logging tires and tracks. So here we go. We're going to dig down into the hard granite and see how well we do. This is Tyson with CT Machinery Systems. Just call me CT. Here we go. Hopefully this shows up. There we go. Not bad. Now that'll help facilitate draining away from the machine shop barn. And there it is. Behold, the solution to this old Thomas T320. This is about a 2005 model or 07 Thomas tractor. They went out of business. Couldn't get any parts for it, so I had to make my own solution. And this is what we have. So for those out there who are interested in a hybrid solution for their Thomas T320, let me know. I will certainly oblige. Can figure out a custom solution for you. These tracks were not good on hard pack anymore. The tractor just walked right out of them from scuffing. The left hand side especially. So now I've got a hybrid machine. This right here not only transmits power from the back to the front, but it also stabilizes the intense loading on the front or back axles, and it's under tension. Of course, one of the things that's interesting is that as more mud gets into the system, it does self-clean, but it probably adds more tension to the system, which is fine. And I'm just moving more dirt over here now to expand on this parking area and lock in the outer embankment, whereupon I've put some netting and some debris and brush, cardboard mostly, and brush from some old oleanders, and got a tennis net here too to help. Got some landscaper's cloth here, even an old tarp, cardboard. What that does, it keeps the water from percolating through, but rather coming back to this drain, which I need to open that up again. So looks good. I'm happy that I'm able to actually work this tractor again. I've taken my time on this and just plugged away at it. So, and I gotta watch out for my clearance here. shouldn't be a problem. I don't see any wear mark on the tire. These tires pack up pretty fast. I could actually put some chains on these tires if I wanted to. But I'm surprised, they actually propel pretty well. Going into that, this is kind of a clayish mud, sandy DG with some clay, but definitely has the power to scrape and pack into this bucket and cut. Has some good rip out force. I just put one ripper on the front here. Could probably add two more. I think I will add two more rippers. That would help. But couldn't be happier with this setup. Very pleased. And this is really just the first prototype of a tri-star arrangement. So that's what I call it anyway. Load stabilizer, propulsion. Also realized something, if I go through the heavy brush and I'm blazing trail doing fire lines, fuel breaks, this tri-star arrangement will suck the brush in and rip the limbs out of the way for clearancing. So that'll be good, actually, an added bonus. And the interesting thing is I've designed it in such a way that if this track should deviate, it'll hit the arm, which will add more tension to this and return the track back to where it's supposed to be, back to center. Same thing over here. I got about 10 pounds of welding rod into this project with Stealth Weld. Which I will show you now. This is the welder that I've designed, developed. I have 2 patents on it. Heavy duty, 1500 amps of power, 3 times the power, 1/3 the mass, 1/3 the weight, 1/3 the price, but 3 times the power. I never use this thing. Always use this one. And these Blue Demon 7014 rods are great. I also run a 11018 Excalibur for welding excavators to back together heavy dozers, heavy equipment, mining equipment, fireline equipment, wildfire fighting ops. This welder has proven invaluable. So just wanted to share with you some of the results that I have attained. In fact, I cut this big piece of metal out right here to fix a very large excavator, link belt. All right, run and gun, get it done. And I'll be fixing this all up here soon. This will be one of a kind. I'll share this with you later, what I'm doing. It's going to be quite a treat, quite an interesting feat. So stay tuned. This is CT with CT Machinery Systems. Signing off for now. Got a big windstorm coming in. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Glad my finger wasn't in there. And so this is proving out to have plenty of traction and tractive effort. Track of motive force is excellent. And what do you think, Ranger? Working good, huh? Yeah. He's wondering what's going on here. I just need to add some flange collars, 2-inch. And well, I'm gonna go ahead and run this some more, see how it does. Really is smooth and faster too, which is great. All right, this is CT with CT Machinery Systems. Thank you for your interest. Have a great day out there. Bye for now.